Welcome to this comprehensive guide on how to analyze Google Analytics 4 setup. Google Analytics 4 is a powerful tool that helps you understand your website or app's traffic, engagement, and conversion rates. To get the most out of it, you need to set it up correctly and know how to analyze the data. First, ensure you have a Google Analytics 4 property set up for your website or app. If you haven't done this yet, create a new property in the Google Analytics admin section. Once you have your property set up, you'll need to install the Google Analytics 4 tracking code on your website or app. This code sends data from your website or app to Google Analytics 4. Next, navigate to the Reports section in Google Analytics 4. Here, you'll find an overview of your website or app's traffic, including the number of users, sessions, and bounce rate. You can also view more detailed reports on acquisition, behavior, and conversion rates. The acquisition report shows you where your traffic is coming from, such as social media, search engines, or email marketing campaigns. The behavior report provides insights into what users are doing on your website or app, including the pages they visit and the events they trigger. The conversion report shows you which actions users are completing, such as filling out a form or making a purchase. To get the most out of Google Analytics 4, you need to set up events and conversions. Events are actions that users take on your website or app, such as clicking a button or watching a video. Conversions are specific actions that you want users to complete, such as filling out a form or making a purchase. To set up events and conversions, navigate to the admin section in Google Analytics 4 and click on Events or Conversions. Here, you can create new events or conversions and define the conditions that trigger them. Best practices for analyzing Google Analytics 4 data include regularly checking your reports to identify trends and patterns, using segmentation to analyze specific groups of users, and setting up alerts to notify you of significant changes in your data. By following these steps and best practices, you can gain valuable insights into your website or app's performance and make data-driven decisions to improve it.